Wagwan. If you're new here, my name is Lika, and here on my channel I focus on sewing tutorials, thrift flips, styling videos, and here and there I have some motherhood lifestyle videos. So if that is your thing, then go ahead and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video. I do have an announcement to make at the end of this video, so make sure that you guys watch to the end to hear what I have to say. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I transformed this shirt from the thrift store to this top that I am currently wearing. Alright, so I'm going to be using this shirt that I already own to cut out the shirt that I'm trying to make. Alright, so now I'm going to hem the neckline and the arm. So I'm going to double roll and fold and then pin it into a place. Then I can take it over to the sewing machine. Alright, so now that the arm and the neckline is finished, now I can attach the sides. If you go back to where I was cutting out the shirt, you can see that on one side I cut a little bit more, and that's because I had originally planned to do the ruching like on the first shirt, but I decided that I'm going to make this one a little bit different. So you're going to see me pin about 1/4 to 1/2 inch more on the sides, and that's just to take it in more since I'm not going to do that extra step. Now I can just cut off that excess before taking it over to the sewing machine. Alright, so for the bottom, I decided to do a lettuce hem. So I kept the zigzag stitch. You can use a serger for this as well. And what I do is while I'm sewing the end, I just stretch the fabric. And as you can see, it's curling up while stretching and sewing. And that's how I got the lettuce hem at the bottom. If you have any questions, I can do a video on just lettuce hem. Let me know. So first I want to say happy National Thrift Day. I've been thrifting for many years now, and I started thrifting and sewing around the same time, and that's how I started doing thrift flips. Before I even started using patterns and all of that, I was just buying stuff from the thrift store, flipping them, and just self-drafting. So my love for thrift flips run really deep and is so connected to my sewing. So if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I used to do a series called Style in Thrift Transformation, which is pretty much a series where I would flip old thrift lines into modern day wear, or just things that fit my style. So I want to start back that series. I'm not sure if I will be calling it Styling Thrift anymore, but pretty much every Thursday I will be posting a thrift flip. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys don't miss any of my videos from my series. So next week I'm going to post my first thrift flip from the series. So I'm going to post on my Instagram 2 different dresses that I am thinking to flip, and you guys can vote which one you'd like to see. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you run over there and press the follow button. It is at @thatsolika. That way you can vote and put your input and you know what you think I should flip the dress into, or which one I should do for next week. I am so excited to be starting back this series because I really do love the flip, as I mentioned before, and this way I can be consistent. I can give you guys tutorials and just ways to spruce up those old clothes you have in your closet if you don't want to go to the thrift store. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial for this video. It is super simple and easy. If you have any questions, then you can drop them in the comment box below, or just hit me up on Instagram at @thatsolika. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.